Ladies and gentlemen, young boys and young girls, we are the last hope of this planet of ours. We are the last generation that we can do something about this climate change. Remember, the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Ladies and gentlemen, young boys and young girls, with me here, I have waste materials collected from the environment, and I want to demonstrate learning concept of sorting and grouping under size of objects which are small and big. So instead of us dumping this waste here in the environment, we need to pick them, bring them to the class environment, and use them as learning materials for this concept of big and small. So, if I have instructed my learners to go to the environment and pick all these items and bring them in class, so assume this is what they have collected. And we want to learn this concept of sorting and grouping, and we are looking the small items and the big items from what they have collected. So, for example, if I take this object or this tin, I place it there, I will say that is a big container, or this container is large. Now, if I take this one here, I place here, I will say that is a small tin. Again, if I pick this one, I put here, this item here is big. I want again to get the small one. If I come, let me say, I pick this tin here, you will see that this tin is small. So, ladies and gentlemen, young boys and young girls, we have learned the concept of sorting and grouping, size, which is large size, small size, from the materials collected from the environment. This is very interesting. Imagine we are buying materials from the supermarkets or from the shops or from the market, bringing them in class to learn. We are wasting money. But if we collect them, bring them in class, we are preserving our environment. We are keeping our planet clean. At the same time, we are saving our money by just reusing and recycling of items collected from the environment. So here the learners will learn the concept of small and big from just locally available materials. Instead of you buying them, just get them locally instead of buying. Okay? If we collect them from the environment, bring to the classroom, use them as learning materials, we save the environment, you also save money. Remember, we are the last generation that can save this planet from pollution, starting from me and you. So, ladies and gentlemen, young boys and young girls, thank you for listening to me, and I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. Thank you, and God bless you.